Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we'll show you guys how to remove the exterior front door handle on Volkswagen Touareg right here, 2005 to 2010 generation I believe. Will be very close procedure, so stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. Some models might differ, okay. So this is the door handle right here. This one that we'll be removing. There is one cap that we need to remove right there. Okay, just it's a rubber seal, pull it out. Okay, like that. And next we need to use a Torx 25, okay, for right here. Actually 20, Torx 20 there. To get that screw loose, that bolt, but make sure it doesn't drop in the door. Okay, you get it loose. Next you need to open the handle a little bit, and then okay, you can pull that piece out. Okay, like that. You just get it out of the way now. Next we need to detach the cable. Okay, just pry it from the front towards the back. Okay, we removed it. Okay, like that. Okay guys, so those white things now, okay, let me show you when they move. Okay, right there. You need to get the screwdriver in, hold them all the way towards the outside. You need to push the door handle in and towards the back after that. Okay, like that. It's gonna come out, okay, you twist it that way, and that's how you guys remove the door handle assembly. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.